All right, here we go. All right, you guys. This is the surprise that I wanted to share with you guys. I treated myself and I wanted to show you guys this Wouxun Kg-UV9D anniversary edition. And this is how it came. Look at this crazy box. Wow. I'm just blown away. I opened this thing up out of the brown box that came in, and I'm like, holy smokes, they weren't screwing around with this. So this is an unboxing of the anniversary kit, the Wouxun Kg-UV9D, and I'm totally stoked for this because this radio is going to be part of my bug out system, and I'm gonna show you guys that in another video. My go bag, my comms bag, I guess you could say, more accurate. Let's open this thing up. Look at that color on the box. I mean, they really went. They were serious about this. Limited, like a limited edition. All right, cool. Let's open this baby up and see all the goodies we get. So, owner's manual, we went through that. Well, sorta. I talked about this a lot. And programming. And let's see. Here is, let's just get this out right away, because this is what this is all about. And try and go through this fairly quickly, but not, I want to give it its due. I don't usually do unboxings, but I think this is worth it. And I'm treating myself. Oh yeah. Looks just like the other one. So the first one I bought, I think I told you guys, it was not obviously the anniversary edition. There was some confusion online whether this, you know, was had some of the accessories that it did, and I can't tell if that's, oh yeah, it's got a screen protector on it. Let me try and take that off. There's no tab. Oh, let's try and get that with my fingernail. There we go. All right. Fingernails. Oh, come on. So I'm trying to do this on camera. Oh yeah. Screen looks good. That was one of my issues with, I think it was a quality control issue in the, you can see the screen looks good. And the other one, I had to send a radio back because the screen was scratched up. So let's set this aside. Let me get moving here. I'm taking too long already. But there is the antenna, which the antenna isn't bad, but I really prefer the Nagoyas. And I'm going to put a link in the description for you guys, affiliate links below. So Wouxun antenna. We'll set that there. And looks like it's got 2 battery clips, 2 belt clips, and they go on the battery. And I'm very excited about having extra batteries. The cool thing about this battery is it squeezes by the side. You can see these. You just squeeze it and it pops out. Really kind of a cool release. Kind of see that. So 2 batteries, 2 belt clips, which is cool. And these are 3200 milliamp, 7.4 volts, lithium ion battery packs. I love having extra battery packs, especially for outdoor use, like really adventure stuff. And here's the little screws for the belt clips. All right. So let's get this out of the way. Get some of this other good stuff down inside here. So it comes with software. I used Chirp and it worked really well. I don't know why they gave you 2. They must have just, it might be updated. I have no idea. I'll look at it and see. Here is the lanyard. I use lanyards. I like them most of the time, but sometimes I don't. They get in the way. I'm going to set this aside. What is this here? Let's start getting this out. So, what is this? Oh, this looks like a little case for it. A carrying pouch. Wow, I didn't even know this was in there. Oh, interesting. Well, that's kind of cool. Little carrying pouch snaps. And a a strap. Well, we'll see how that works. It's like a shoulder strap thing. I don't know if I would use that or not, but it's kind of cool. Maybe in the right scenario. At least you wouldn't have to carry the handheld around all the time. But yeah, so there's it feels pretty well made. I mean, it's like pleather. Maybe that part's real leather. No, it's fake leather. Either that or it's, yeah, I think it's fake leather. It's hard to tell. Yep, it's synthetic. And then the strap. All right, let's keep moving. Programming cable. Nope, this is not the programming cable. That came in here, you guys. Sorry. That came in with this one. And it is the red cable. They send you the red cable with it and the programming software. So this is an earpiece. There's a oh, this is a speaker mic earpiece. Wow, let's open that up real quick. That's kind of cool. Like a lapel clip mic. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It says Wouxun on it. And it's got the speaker mic deal and the earpiece. So it's got a microphone with a little lapel clip. Actually, that's pretty good. Pretty strong. Yeah, we'll have to try that out. That's kind of cool. I like it. If it sounds okay, I like it. That's really what matters to me the most, is if it works and it sounds good. And let's see, here is the speaker mic. Another mic option. Wouxun speaker mic. Yeah, all right. I've never used a Wouxun speaker mic. Hopefully they're good quality. I like the Anytone microphone that they recommend with the 878. It sounds really good. So I hope this one, we'll do an audio test on it. That's a good little comparison video. See whether it's worth it or not. And let's see here. This is the charging cradle. DC in 12 volt. We'll set that there, and it looks like this is what I'm really excited about right here as an option, a charging option. is USB charging, you guys. I don't know why radios, more manufacturers don't do this. I hope they listen to people what they want. I mean, you can even plug this into some sort of a solar battery pack or whatever, and it just fits right into there. And you got a USB charger, but it charges the cradle. It does not go into the phone, or excuse me, the radio. You got to put the radio into the charging cradle. It looks like it's got a red and green light. Red charge, green full indicator. Pretty typical. But the USB thing is sick. Excellent job. This thing is cool too. This is a 12-volt receptacle charger, battery kit, or battery eliminator. Yeah, that's awesome. Very cool. All this stuff says Wouxun on it. Good job so far on it. And here is another. Wow, you don't need to take the battery eliminator kit off. This is just a 12-volt receptacle. So you got some serious charging options for this thing. There's your 12-volt receptacle right into the charge cradle. Man, that's legit. So you got several charge options on this thing. This is one of the things I wanted to get this kit for. All this is going to go in my comms bag. And I think this is just the regular wall wart thing. Let's try and just open this up real quick, because we know what that is. And there you go. That's what you get. And they threw in this little SMA male adapter to SO, so it'll fit a regular, like a external antenna, like a mag mount or a coax or something like that. So yeah, like a larger antenna. I have these things for trying to see if I got any sitting right here. I've got them for other radios too, but that's cool they threw that in. It comes in handy when you need it, especially when you want to extend your range. So yeah, wow, there you go. The Wouxun Kg-UV9D Mate Anniversary Edition. That is cool. Very cool. Well done. I hope other manufacturers take note of that, because this is what you want, I think. That's what you want. You want all this stuff to be able to have more of a versatile setup. I mean, gee whiz. The whole point of this is to have it versatile, I think. So let's see, does this go? Nope, just snaps right in there. Right on, man. And let's see, we'll put the antenna on, and then we'll turn it on and see if it turns on. The Wouxun antenna seems to work well. You don't have to buy another antenna. But here's the comparison of the Nagoya. Real close. Real similar. That's the Nagoya 701. I'll have a link below on that. And the 771 SMA male. All right, let's turn this baby on. Frequency mode. Are you gonna get that, baby? There we go. That's what it comes as. Programmed. They got the light. Cool. I dig it a lot. The extra goodies are very important, I think, especially the charging stuff. I mean, that's really cool for comms bag. I know in ham radio there's all kinds of different groups and Aries Racies, MCOM, and whatever else you want, but I think just for your own SHTF kind of situation, this thing is legit. And I'm going to talk more about that kind of stuff later on when I get my comms, my bag, ordered a new bag. I'm going to set it up. I've got some antenna options to show you guys. I've got all kinds of fun stuff ahead. So they don't have a link to Amazon for the anniversary kit. I wish they did, but I'll put a link for the radio, just the regular. And I want to say the radio, the charge cradle, and I don't think it came with much else, but it was $160. The anniversary kit is $219. But seriously, if you go price all this stuff out, it's I think it's well over that. So each thing individual, like $15 here, $20 here, $30 here, it starts adding up really quick. And I just I'm gonna have to organize all this stuff in a go bag, in a comms bag. Of course, you keep it real organized and have it handy for you. But I like that it's all here, it's all available. I don't have to go searching for a bunch of stuff. It's all in one package, and it's made for the radio. You're not having to goof around a lot. So this is interesting too. I want to try this out. I think it'd be fun to do a review on this compared to the Wouxun mic, the regular speaker mic, to this lapel mic, and compare that to, say, the Anytone or maybe some other microphones. That'd be a fun video. And the charging cable itself comes with this too, so pretty legit. I hope you guys like that. I'm really stoked about it, and it's a surprise for me too, because I have not seen the anniversary kit before, and I really haven't seen any other videos about it out there. So if you guys like this, please like. And I'm really trying to build the channel. If you guys subscribe, feel like subscribing, that'd be great. And I've got a lot more stuff coming down the line, so we're going to end it right there, and we'll say 7-3, you guys. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, comms bag. I dig it.